So we're going to do number 3 of this ideal gas law worksheet. So the givens are as follows. First, they're asking for the mass. I'm going to write that here. So mass equals question mark. Has a volume of that. 16,000 V is equal to 16,400 milliliters. Okay, so I already know that I should convert that to liters because it says here the universal gas constant is 0.0821 liter ATM Kelvin mole, which means the pressure better be in ATM, the volume needs to be in liters to cancel this L right here. Moles is MOL, R is that unit, and temperature must be in Kelvin. Okay, so the moles though, you can also get the moles and you can also get the grams by converting it. So every time they're asking for moles or mass, you are using N in the equation. Okay, so for number 3, it says what mass? If we write, I'm going to write the formula over here because I'm out of room. So PV is equal to nRT. They're looking for mass. What I'm going to do is I'm going to solve for N and then convert it to mass. Okay, so there's the volume. It needs to be in liters because of what I just said. So I must convert this to liters. So 1,000 milliliters is 1 liter is equal to 16.4 liters. Okay, that's the volume. Next, they also gave me a pressure. So P is equal to 0.995 ATM, and that's already an ATM, which is what I want for R. I mean, for pressure needs to be an ATM because ATM is over here for the R. So I don't have to convert that one. And temperature is equal to negative 23.0 degrees Celsius. I'm going to change that to Kelvin. 273.15. I'm going to use all the decimal places in that conversion, and that should give me 250.15. Since this only has one decimal place, I'm going to use 250.2 Kelvin. Okay, so here's the formula. I need to move it over here a little bit. So I also know what R is. R is equal to 0.0821 LATM Kelvin mole. Okay, so my formula is PV is equal to nRT. Once you convert everything, it's very easy. Pressure is 0.995. Volume is 16.4 liters. Is equal to, I'm going to solve for moles because that will lead me to grams, which is what they want. They want grams. And then R is 0.0821 LATM Kelvin mole. Please make sure you write all those units. And temperature is given here, 250.2 Kelvin. Okay, solving for N, divide 0.0821 and 250.2 on both sides. N is going to be equal to 0.794 moles.
Sarah.
Okay, so if they wanted moles, I would stop here, but they wanted grams. So I have to convert that to grams. So 0.794 moles of NH3. Convert 1 mole of NH3 to grams, and the molar mass of NH3, I have to write it somewhere, N is 14.01, 3 H's is 3.024, 0.034, 17.03. I multiply that and I get 13.5. And that is correct here. Okay, and that's it. So for the rest of the problems, they should be a lot easier because you're just plugging it into the PV equals nRT. I think I chose the hardest one.